everybody, I'm Elara. Welcome to my unboxing video. Today we want to open this crossbow. This army is so because I want to play army and also the color is beautiful. Scissors. This is the bow, and then this is the arrows, and the arrows go here. And then this is how it works. So you want to shoot like this. And that's how you do the crossbow. Bye everybody. Subscribe and click like.